Sometimes the simplest things are the hardest to find. Access's top and bottom values feature is one of these gems. Using this feature, you can find the top or bottom of any Access summary query in just a few steps. The first step is to open up a summary query in the datasheet view. A summary query summarizes a large list of information in Access by first grouping a text field and then summarizing a number or value field. In this instance, we are looking at sales grouped by employee name. Let's go ahead and switch to Design View. This is a query that is based on three related tables. The employee table holds basic information about the company's employees. The customer sales table tracks customer order information, and the services table offers basic information about services provided by the company. The query only contains three fields: the employee's first name and last name, and a calculated field called sales. This field multiplies the number of tickets field from the customer sales table and the normal price field from the services table. Notice the totals button on the ribbon is activated. This allows the user to choose fields to group by and sum, therefore creating the summary query. The total row of the query by design grid shows that the information is grouped by employee last and first name and that the query will sum the sales field. In order to find the top or bottom values, you need to sort the value or sum field. To display the top percent, sort the value field in descending order, and sort in ascending order to display the bottom percent. In this case, I'm looking for my top 3 salespeople, so I will sort the sales field in descending order. To enter a top or bottom value amount, you need to use the return field that shows up on the ribbon. By default, the return field is going to show all, which is why you always see all records. What we want to do is see the top 3 salespeople. When you click on the drop-down, you can pick from a list, but you can also type in whatever you're looking for. So I'm just going to type in a 3. Now when I press enter, the grid doesn't show that anything's changed, but if I either run the query or switch to the datasheet view, I will now see the top 3 salespeople for my company.